Hello everyone. In class ninth, we have learned about the factorizations of polynomials. In the previous video, we have studied that a polynomials of degree n and exactly n zeros. The zeros of a polynomial are closely connected to its coefficient. In this video, we will find out relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. A given quadratic polynomial if alpha and the beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial means a quadratic polynomial, suppose fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and the zeros of the alpha and beta. Zeros means the values of the x is called zeros, means alpha and beta. Let be the alpha and beta. So then the sum of the alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a means coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, means coefficient of x minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, means minus b upon a. And the product of the zeros means alpha product by beta equal to c upon a. C upon a means constant term upon coefficient of x square, means constant term in this given polynomial is c and coefficient of x square of in this equation is a. So that quadratic equation is ax square bx plus c. So then the coefficient is a and constant term is c, so that the product of the alpha beta equal to c upon a. If given alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, if it means we have given the two values of x, so then find the polynomial, it means find the equation of quadratic. So then formula is apply, fx equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. It means x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of zeros. So then it is the given equation of if given the alpha and beta, then we find the equation of polynomials or quadratic polynomial fx equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. And if we given a equation, then find the alpha plus beta and alpha beta, or also alpha and beta, means zero, we find the zeros. If given a equation, we find the zeros. If given a zeros, then we find the equations. Let's start now. Exercise number 2.2, question number first. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zero and the coefficient. It means find the zeros given a equations, then find the zeros and relation between the zeros and the coefficient. So this is the quadratic polynomial is solution. First is quadratic polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 8. Then apply the splitting term and find the zeros. Splitting term means 8 ones are 8, 4 to the 8, 4x plus 2x minus 8. So then the factor is x minus 4 plus 2x minus 4. Then we have find factor is x minus 4 x plus 2. So then x minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Oh, x equal to 4, x equal to minus 4. Value of x is called the zeros. So zeros are 4 and minus 2, because value of x square minus 2x minus 8 is 0. So when find the two values, x or 4 and minus 2. Verification. Find the 0. First of all, we find the zeros, 4 and minus 2. Then verification. Zeros are 4 and minus 2. So then alpha equal to 4, beta equal to minus 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a means coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is in this equation minus 2 upon 1, that plus 2. So alpha plus beta is 2, and the product means alpha plus beta is constant term upon coefficient of x square. In this question, constant term is minus 8 and coefficient of x square is 1. So we can write minus 8 upon 1 equal to minus 8. Then also above we find the values of alpha equal to x, beta equal to minus 2. So alpha plus beta equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Same this question, alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And product of the alpha and beta, alpha value is 4, beta value is minus 2, minus 8. In above, look here in minus 8, that the verified. These both are same, then it is verified. So we can write hence verified. Same question number 3rd. Let us start. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First of all, the given polynomial we arrange in standard form. That we can write 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Also given factor 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So then minus 7, 6x square minus 9 2s are 18, or 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So we can write 9x plus 2x minus 3. So common is 3x, 2x minus 3 plus 1. 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3. So the factor of the given polynomial is 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. So if the zeros, the given values of the equal to the zeros, then we find the value of x. We can put 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of x is minus 1 upon 3 and here x equal to 3 upon 3. So the values of given polynomials zeros are, so zeros are minus 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Let's start verification. So verification, if the alpha value is 1 upon 3, beta value is 3 upon 2. So alpha plus beta equal to 1 upon 3. So minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. LCM is 6 minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 upon 3 3 is 9, 7 upon 6. And then given polynomial is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, minus b is equal to coefficient of the x minus b minus 7, a is 6, x 7 plus b, both are same. So then hence ये verified. Same here, alpha into beta, value of alpha is equal to minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, cancel off 3 upon 3, minus 1 upon 2. And in this equation is 6x square minus 7x minus 3, coefficient c upon a, c is minus 3, a is 6, then 3 ones are 3, minus 1 upon 2, both are same, so hence verified. Next question number 2. Find the quadratic polynomial each with the given number as the sum and the product of zeros respectively. Find the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial हमको find करना है and given the sum and the product of its zeros. Zeros का sum and product given है. तो then given is sum and product, not zeros of the polynomial are not given. Question number first, 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1. Given is alpha plus beta is 1 upon 4. Listen carefully. Given is alpha plus beta is 1 upon 4 and alpha beta is minus 1. Not given कि this alpha, this beta, these are not given is zeros. This is the given sum and the product of zeros. It means alpha plus beta equal to 1 upon 4, alpha beta equal to minus 1 upon 4. Equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Then put the value directly. X square minus 1 upon 4 plus minus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 1 equal to zeros. LCM x 4x square minus x minus 1 equal to zeros. So that answer the quadratic polynomial is quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. Part second. Root 2 1 upon 3. Listen careful. This is the sum of zeros and product of the zeros is 1 upon 3. Means alpha plus beta root 2. Alpha beta is 1 upon 3. Put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in the given equation. Alpha plus beta x, alpha beta is equal. Then x square minus root 2x plus 1 upon 3 is, we take LCM is 3, so then 3x square minus root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. That is the answer or quadratic polynomial. Part 5th. Question is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. That sum of is minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 the product. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Alpha beta is 1 upon 4. Then the equation x square minus alpha beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Or we can write x square in sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. So then this is the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. This is the product of zeros. Put the value x square minus 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 4. So x square minus plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Take LCM 4x square plus x plus 1. This is the quadratic polynomial. That's answer. So do all parts and all question of exercise 2.2. Thank you for watching video. Please click the subscribe and like this video. Thank you.